Hello everyone, in today's video we'll talk about the real way to grow your fresh channel. So let's get into it. If you didn't know, growing on your channel is really hard. And by hard, I mean impossible. Like really, YouTube doesn't wanna recommend you videos at all, and if your videos don't recommend it, you get no growth at all. But there's a way to actually grow your channel while just starting. So, remember trying to get views by refreshing the page multiple times? The views will just return back to where they was before, and the watch time just didn't count. When I must show you how my method actually works. So what you're gonna do is get on a YouTube page, yours on your friend, and you wanna click that, play all, and then you just mute the video, turn on 144p, turn on 2 speed, and bam, you load the playlist and you AFK. So that's the method 1. If you wanna do that for particular videos, you wanna get on the channel, you wanna select the videos you wanna view both. For example, that video, let's create a place, whatever place, you wanna make it private and call it whatever. Put the videos he wants to do. And yeah, now you're gonna go to your playlist, click on that. You wanna do the same thing, 2 speed, 144p, so not kill your PC, load the playlist, and now it's gonna wait. The more time you wait and AFK, the more views you get and the more watch time. If you get that out of the way, your videos will probably start getting recommended to other people actually, but you may not wanna forget making videos on trending topics, for example, like now, Minecraft shorts, and don't forget to put the right tags in the description. YouTube prefers one-word tags, for example, funny, cat, whatever. And you wanna put the tags also in the description, but limit the tags for like 5 tags maximum, so it doesn't look that bad. And you wanna make a clickbaity thumbnail that people wanna click on instantly for out of curiosity. Just not by the big attention, but isn't that clickbait because people wanna hate you. And you wanna put like, for example, I must show you, like in the title you wanna uppercase the thing that is important. For example, we give that. Okay, like let's say best card complication. Like uppercase is the most important role in the title, and that will bring some more attention to the video. So yeah, that's it. Good luck growing your channel and trying to make it live when no, because sometimes it just doesn't work out. So beware of that. Okay, bye.